Okay, so I got this Innocence down on the beach. I got this is the Starry Way. Oh, this is my mineral finish. It's $5.99. Sub beach. No. My soft stick, cover stick. But I prefer to make a base. My cover stick and the Uribi cover potion is the soft touch mousse. Oh, sorry. I got this very simple. I can do the pure mineral makeup. No, Miss Party eyeglass. The eyeglass is purple. Miss Party pink. And eyeshadow is the Miss Party sometimes. Is the Lovely My Words. The green, the Ready All brown is the Ready All red. And the pinkish Deagle, it's Squirt and Barbie is the Probably Kit. It's the part, the pink part, it's the green sometimes. It's the Touch Dream Mousse, Maybelline. Eden Green, number 8. Heavenly Blue, number 4. Dream Mousse, Angelic Pink, number 5. And W04 Splash, Rimmel Color Mousse. And the cream eyeshadow, pink and gold. Let's down on the beach. Essence eyeshadow. The beach sun has the She Slides on this very much. It's the pink. So yeah, I've got this. The bye guys. It's a little guys.